once you're north of the 28 final departure corridor, you can resume navigation along 101.
Okay, 360 on the heading, and then departure corridor, and then 101, 5 for now.
Heavy traffic just after the departure in left to right due northbound. 1,300 feet is a Bonanza. Runway 28 right, clear for takeoff. He'll keep northbound.
28 right, clear for takeoff, United 69 heavy.
Cactus 868, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, Cactus 868.
953 tower, runway 28 left, position hold.
Position hold, 28 left, United 53 heavy. Bonanza 3854 Golf, checking in 1,500.
Bonanza 3854 Golf, NorCal, roger. Number 3854 Golf, traffic at your left at 12 o'clock and 4 miles maneuvering 1,100.
54 Golf is looking. Skywest 6183, connect approach 135.65. 3565, now 6181.
Southwest 2355, departure radar contact, climb unrestricted, maintain 10,000.
Unrestricted to 10,000, Southwest 2355.
Bonanza 54 Golf, traffic alert, 12 o'clock and a mile, indicates 1,100.
54 Golf is looking.
United 869 Heavy, contact Oakland Center on 127.8.
27.8, United 869 Heavy. 54 Golf has the traffic.
Oakland Center, United 869 Heavy at a 3.7 for 6,000.
United 869 Oakland Center, roger, and climb and maintain 10,000.
10,000.